the Arkansas Supreme Court has joined with the Arkansas Bar Association to create the Arkansas Access to Justice Commission. Our goal is to improve civil legal aid to the poor. You may not know just how great that need is in our state. Regrettably, we rank 48th in the country in per capita funding for legal aid for the poor. There are 118,000 families living in poverty in our state, representing over 555,000 people. That's 20% of our citizens who are underserved when it comes to justice. And when I speak of those who are shut out by economic realities, I'm talking about people on the edge. To qualify for legal aid in Arkansas, you must not earn more than $12,250 a year, or for a family of four, no more than $25,000. And when we talk about offering free civil legal aid, let me stress that our legal services staff are not taking on cases expected to result in fee awards. These are cases concerning basic human needs, such as domestic violence, child support, disability, housing, and elder care. For 6 years now, federal funding for this critically needed legal aid has been slipping away. In 2005, our legislature stepped up to the problem and for the first time provided funds by increasing court case refiling fees. But let's be candid about our legal aid system. It is still underfunded and overworked. But with a dedicated staff and volunteer pro bono partners, we are making a difference every day in the lives of Arkansans. I invite you now to learn firsthand about the work we are doing.
It has all the look of a perfect family scene. A young mother and her two children enjoying a playground. But for Miriam, the journey to this moment was filled with danger, abuse, and desperation.
And I was just a bit scared today because I was thinking that he was going to just jump on me and beat me really bad again.
Miriam met her husband working on a cruise ship. She moved to Arkansas and began a family. But as her relationship changed, her husband turned her immigrant status against her.
I'll make sure you go back there. That's what he said to me. When you try to divorce me, I'll get the children's custody. I'll assure you, I'll get them, and you will end up going back to Peru with nothing.
In the spring, her husband followed through on his threat, leaving her on the street and taking the children.
I was powerless at that moment.
But then she called the Center for Arkansas Legal Services. Staff attorney Dustin Duke in the Little Rock office took on her case.
She was very, very upset. She was absolutely completely distraught, as you can imagine.
As a specialist in family law, Duke knew that Miriam had a shot at citizenship under the Violence Against Women Act and put her in touch with immigration specialists. And he went to court, gaining a protective order and temporary child custody and peace of mind for his client.
We won the order of protection for 1 year. Then, the most important, I got my children's temporary custody. And he helped me to do that, and he was very, very sharp, very helpful with his advices.
And so, with a lawyer on her side, Miriam finds herself refocused on raising her children.
But now she is confident that she understands the law a lot better. She's confident that she is going to get a residency, and she's feeling pretty confident in keeping her children.
Honestly, God bless me with the legal aid. I thank God a lot for allowing me to call the legal aid.